Very good day to all dear students. Today we will discuss exercise 6.1 in chapter triangles, which is the chapter number 6 for class 10th. So let us start with the fill-ups, which is fill in the blanks. So there are some fill in the blanks which we have to be filled. So first fill-up we have all circles are dash. So we have to apply similar or concurrent, which is possible for us to apply in this blank, and we have to apply that. So all circles are dash, similar or concurrent. If we are taking the example of a circle with the radius 4 centimeter, and here I am taking the example for another circle which is of 3 centimeter radius. So now both are circles. Both are circles. So both the shapes are equal to each other, but the problem is first circle consists of the radius 4 centimeter and second circle consists of the radius 3 centimeter. So radii for both the circles are different from each other, but both the circles covers the angle of 360 degree. Angles are common for both the circles, but the length for the radius are different from each other. So it fulfills the condition of similarity, but not fulfills the condition of congruency. So both the circles are similar to each other, but both the circles are do not congruent to each other, because both the circles covers the angle of 360 degree, but the length or the radius for both the circles are different from each other. So all circles are similar. All circles are similar, not congruent. Now, second fill-up is all squares are dash, similar or congruent. All squares are dash, similar or congruent. So, if I take the example of a square which is of 3 centimeter side, 3 centimeter side, this is the first square. If I consider any other square which is of 5 centimeter side, 5 centimeter side, it's of 5 centimeter. So, as we know, all the sides consist of 90 degree. So right angle is the first square for both the sides, and also for the second square we have right angle at 90 degree for all the sides. So it fulfills the condition that both covers the angle. So both the squares covers the same angle, which is of 90 degree. But the problem is this in this situation, that this square consists of 3 centimeter side, so this square is of 5 centimeter. So both the squares are different from each other, because the lengths or sides are different from each other. So this condition also fulfills the condition of similarity, but not the condition of congruency. So these squares are similar to each other, but not congruent to each other, because they consist of angles. They consist of same angles, but the sides are different from each other. So all squares are similar but not congruent. It also fulfills the second condition. If I take the proportion, let us take the first square as ABCD and EF GH. So angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D, which is 90 degree. Angle E equals to angle F equals to angle G equals to angle H, which is also 90 degree. And the proportion for both the squares are also similar. Let us take the proportion for AB, first square AB upon EF, which is 3 upon 5. For the further side, BC upon FG, which is also 3 upon 5. So similar to both sides. CD upon GH, which is equal to DA or AD upon FG or EH. So proportions for both the squares are equal to each other. So all squares are similar but not congruent. Similar. So third point is all dash triangles are similar, and the options are isosceles or equilateral. So if we take the condition of isosceles triangles, so as we know, isosceles triangles are those triangles, uh, triangle ABC, triangle DEF. Isosceles triangles are the triangles in which two sides are common to each other. For example, AB side equals to AC, and for the further triangle, DE side equals to DF. So, if it covers the angle 1 and it is of 2, then both the angles are similar to each other. But it's not shorting for the another triangle that the first angle equals to angle 3 and angle 4. So, similarity, so both are different for each other, so there is no case for isosceles triangle. So if I take the example for an equilateral triangle, as we know, equilateral triangles are the triangles which are of same side and which are of the same angles. This is of 3 centimeter, triangle ABC. This is also 3 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter. DEF. So all the angles are of 60 degree, which are common in case of an equilateral triangle. 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So it fulfills the condition that both the triangles consist of the same angles and the sides are also equal for both the triangles. So in this situation, equilateral triangles are similar. Equilateral triangles are similar. In same case, if I take the example like 6 centimeter of side for another triangle, then the proportion for both the triangles will be equal. For example, AB upon DE equals to 3 upon 6 for further side, BC upon EF, which is equal to 3 upon 6, and which is also equal to the remaining part of the remaining side of the triangle. So all equilateral triangles are similar, but not all isosceles triangles are similar. And the last point is, or the last blank is, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. So equal and proportional are the options which we have to fill in the proper blanks. So in order to fill these, we have to keep the situation or the condition or the principle of similarity, that the principle of similarity says that if all the angles are equal to each other and the proportions for both the shapes are equal to each other, then we apply the principle of similarity instead of congruency. So we will apply the same principle of similarity, and that principle says that if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. So fourth filler provides a statement of the same principle of similarity, that the similarity principle or the concept of similarity says that all the corresponding angles are equal to each other for the common shape, and both the sides are of the same proportion for the given common shapes. So fourth statement provides the concept of similarity. Filling up the blanks, the next step is to provide the examples related to similar figures and non-similar figures. So in the part of fill-ups, we discussed that about the similar figures. So all the circles are similar to each other. All the circles are similar to each other. All the squares are similar to each other. And all the equilateral triangles are similar to each other. Equilateral triangles. So I will not provide an example related to similar figures again and again, because I provided the correct part of the video or the beginning. So all circles are similar to each other, all squares are similar to each other, and all equilateral triangles are similar to each other. That is provided in the starting of the video. You will see there very well. So non-similar figures. There are some examples of similar figures in which we can take square with 4 centimeter side and rectangle. Square is ABCD and rectangle is PQRS. 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So here square is different from rectangle because the proportions for both the shapes are not equal to each other, but they maintain the angle of 90 degrees. But they maintain the same angle, but the proportions for both the shapes are not similar to each other. So these are examples for non-similar figures. And another example for non-similar figure is let us take equilateral triangle and an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So both are different from each other. So these shapes are non-similar to each other. So the third part is to provide the similarity or non-similarity conclusion about the quadrilaterals. So if we have PQRS as quadrilateral and the ABCD as quadrilateral, then in the first shape we know that no angle of 90 degree is maintained, but the second shape provides the angles of 90 degree. So it is the first condition that the angle for both the shapes are not similar to each other. So this shape doesn't provide angle of 90 degree. This shape provides angle of 90 degree. So in this situation, angle discrimination provides or push non-similarity nature. So both the shapes are non-similar to each other. Thank you so much. I hope you all got my points.